汉语拼音 Scheme for the Chinese Phonetic Alphabet Part 4 In this video, I'll introduce all the spelling rules of Pinyin. Rule 1 and 2 are about final E. At the beginning of a syllable, E is written as the capital letter E. When it forms a syllable all by itself, the capital letter E should be added in front of it. Rules 3 and 4 are about final U. At the beginning of a syllable, U is written as the capital letter U. When it forms a syllable all by itself, the capital letter U should be added in front of it. Rule 5 and 6 are about final U. When U is at the beginning of a syllable or forms a syllable by itself, a capital letter E is added to it, and the two dots over it are omitted. When U is combined with ji, qi, or xi, the two dots over it are omitted. Rule 7. The final R sometimes doesn't form a syllable by itself, but is attached to another final to form a retroflex final. A retroflex final is represented by the letter R added to the final. Rule 8. When a syllable beginning with a, o, or follows another syllable, the syllable dividing mark is used to separate the two syllables.